Hey folks, Jay from Green Side Up Contracting. What I wanted to talk about today is the situation with this 600 plus square foot deck. They had a 25-year-old deck that had been stained 3 or 4 times and it was deteriorating pretty rapidly. So I came over and I talked to Eric and explained to him about the Trex heat mitigating deck boards. So here we are at the end of the job and I just wanted to show you around.
Nothing worse than phoning up contractors every 3 or 4 years and saying we need to have our deck sanded and restained. And especially the size of our deck, it was, you know, they took on the job, but there was an expense to that obviously, and you know, you had to do it every 3 or 4 years. Now, yeah, I won't have to do this in my lifetime.
Yeah.